The more and more it went, the more I was like, yes, yes, kings, slay. What's up guys, we are K-Popsis back at you with another video. I'm Megan.
I'm Brianna.
And we are sisters super into K-pop. So we have a new group once again. I feel like this might happen to us quite a bit. We actually have not told the backstory of ourselves and how we got into K-pop and stuff. Maybe sometime we'll get to that. But it's been less than a year that we've been listening to K-pop. So we're still kind of like K-pop babies. And there's a lot of discovery that needs to happen. I don't know how new this group is. I actually know nothing about them. But I saw yesterday they released a new video and it looks good. Like, I'm seeing the thumbnail right now and I'm like, this looks like it might slay. We'll see. Noir, it's the group. That is black in French, I believe. I took French, but it's been a while. I think that's what it is. Anyways, let's watch this. Oh, airplane mode, by the way. Okay, now that that's settled. Oh!
You look like Ravi.
Yep, I agree.
I like
Oh, those movements.
Who's that guy right there? Is that the Ravi guy?
Yeah, I think it is.
I'm gonna call him the Ravi guy.
Not Ravi?
Yeah.
Auto-tune? Wait, was that auto-tune or is that the way his voice sounds?
Kind of reminds me of SF9.
I was thinking the exact same thing.
Backgrounds.
Woo! Who's he though? Excuse me? Hey, his hair. He has the heat on look.
Yeah.
Your type.
I was like, hello?
Oh no, he's gonna get shot. I like this song. Ooh, I like this. Is that not Ravi again?
Is he the leader?
Maybe he's the leader of her.
I want to see not Edon.
Y'all are gonna have to tell us some names. We have no idea. Oh, them vocals though.
Were those like outfits, like those BTS wore them? I forgot. Pied Piper. Like,
oh, yeah.
Like a concert or something. I see not Edon.
Wow, they're beautiful. Oddly, like this is reminding me of like SF9, like the video is like SF9 meets like Stray Kids.
I thought it was okay, but like, I don't know. Well, no, actually, no.
The harmonies.
Hello?
Oh, I love that so much. Everything about that was amazing. Go, man, they got some vocals in here. Get it. Go. Yes. Loving this. Whoa. Oh.
That's a good song.
Noir? Hello. Hello.
Hello, I'm Brianna.
I'm Megan. We're K-Popsis. Oh my gosh. It like started out good, of course, like I liked it from the get-go, but the more and more it went, the more I was like, yes, yes, kings, slay. Like, I got more excited as it went on. Oh, I liked that a lot. Oh, okay. I typically would say and I did say it during the video, let us know who is who. We had a lot of people that we noticed often, but I can't wait. I'm actually about to go look into these guys like after we finish recording because I liked this a lot and they're beautiful. God, they're dancing. Everything was so on point. Oh my goodness. I gotta look into them. I have nothing. I know nothing about them. I don't know how long they've been a thing. I've never heard of them. I don't know anybody's name. God, I need more. I just need more. Yep. That's my brain right now.
I just want to know who that Not Eat On guy is.
I don't know what your fandom name is, but I want in on this, so let me know. Maybe give a little bit. Maybe you'll have something to tell me about them that I have no idea about and won't find out by the time you comment. If we get a chance, I'm going to try to avoid listening to any of their stuff. I can't make any promises because I want to get into them. But if we get a chance, if any of you have some like requests for us to do from Noir, I'm going to hold off as long as I can so that we can react to whatever y'all think we should react to next from them. If they're not like brand new, but yeah. Yes, please hurry. Please, please hurry. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can see future videos because you know you want to. And we will see y'all next time here on K-Popsis. Bye!